6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Mainsail alongside with Fluid and Creality web interface. So in order to get your Mainsail working on your K1, it is kind of easy, you don't have to do much, but it is a follow-up on the exploit that you have to do to get full-blown Fluid on your K1. So once you have done it, so go to my video, other video, I'm going to pop it up here. So go there if you haven't done it first. That's the first thing you have to do. Then you can do if you want a Mainsail web interface like you are seeing here. So first thing we have to do is open up WinSCP here, and then you just connect to your printer as you know. So here, and we just type in root as username and Creality as password, and you change the protocol to SCP, and then you log in. Once you log in, you press this button here, and then you get to your printer, the inside of your printer. So here is the K1's, all the files that is inside of K1. And once you're here, you go to user, and when you get into this place, you just choose data. And once you're in data, you choose printer data. And then when you get into printer data, you go to config, double click it, and then you see here all kinds of CFG files and also Moonraker configuration file. So you double click the Moonraker configuration file, and once you're here, you have to scroll a little down. You go to authorization here. At the authorization, you just add this line as I am showing here. So you just type in this one, you add it up alongside with the Fluid, and this is just to gain access to Mainsail on your Klipper. Once you have done this, for the rest, you just check that everything is fine here, which should be. And for the rest, what you have to do is click on Save and close it up. That's the site that you had to do on your WinSCP. And once this is done, you can actually close it up. And now we have to open PuTTY. So also connect on your PuTTY to your printer. And then you open it up, and then you log in as root Creality. And once you're logged in as root, you just type this in, and what it's going to do is going to restart your Moonraker. And once your Moonraker is restarted, you're going to come here, and I'm going to say just change printer, because you're going to get to this website, which is my.mainsaill.xyz. When you type this in, you will get a prompt that's saying you don't have a printer. You're going to add a printer, so you're going to choose this one, and then you just type in your printer's IP address, and then leave the port as it is, because I didn't change it. If you want to, you can change it, but I left it like that. So in my case, it was this. So, and then I do add printer. So now I have the same of the printers, and then you choose a printer, and then your Mainsail interface is going to pop up. So now the printer is actually printing. So as you can see, it was not hard to do, but you have to know what you're doing, because you should only follow certain ways of changing stuff. So if you don't know what you're doing, do not do it. Well, if you're following my tutorial, then you're fine, because I've done everything first for you, so that I have tested it. Nothing's going on with my printer. It will also show the Creality's web interface. Fluid is also working alongside with Mainsail. As you can see, they are both working, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you liked it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!